Welcome back to another video, PCN gang. Today we're gonna be showing you how to turn your clips from this into this. Before we get into the video, make sure you drop a like on it, subscribe, turn on notice, and comment down below if I should upload more vids just like this. All right, first things first, you want to download an app called CapCut. Pull up this website, download it, all that good stuff. My boy already got it downloaded. You feel me? Once you get that downloaded, next thing you want to do, you want to get your footage ready. You feel me? I got my clip ready right here. Open up the CapCut. When you first open it up, it's going to open like this. You feel me? Want to go ahead and create new project. Drag and drop your clip. You feel me? Then you want to go ahead and trim that perfect moment. I kind of remember where this is in this clip, but you want to go ahead and trim. You can want to go ahead and drag down wherever you want your clip to start. You can cut it like this, or you can hit this delete left and it'll delete all this behind. You feel me? That's normally what I do. I go ahead and hit delete left. You feel me? Get all that out of there. You feel me? You want to go ahead and hit this knob, open that up a little bit. Now let's find this exact moment of this clip. I think it's like right here. But see where it starts. Yeah, it's like right here. That's where the clip gonna end. Just down there. Okay. Yeah, it was. I picked up this random RPG and just blew that junk, and it hit the guy all the way at prison. I don't know if I'm gonna post this, but if you've seen it, then you know I posted it. So once you get what you want trimmed, so we're gonna trim from like right here, you feel me? You wanna export this to make it easier. I normally call it like a draft or something, so like we're gonna RPG draft this, you feel me? Don't pay my typing no mind. Alright, you feel me? It'll open up in your folder. You can open it up if you ain't got your stuff like mine. I got my stuff sorted, so whatever my last recorded clip is, it'll pop up at the top. So you want to get that draft in there, pop that in there, delete that old one. You feel me? You want to go ahead and copy this original, the bottom one, copy that junk, put a second one in, paste it. Now you got two. You want to knock the audio off. Hit this audio tab. Knock the audio off the second clip you paste. Now for the main bass, first things first, hit this ratio tab. Smack it in vertical. You feel me? Then you want to go ahead and hit the video tab. Hit these adjustments. You feel me? Now these adjustments for the bass, you could put the same exact thing that I put in. I put in negative 539. Put the scale up to 227. You feel me? Now for your camera, for your face cam, if you don't have a face cam, then you want to go ahead and put this like in the middle. You feel me? Or something like that. Open it up a little more. You feel me? You feel me? Open it up. But that's if you don't have a face cam. But if you got face cam, you want to put your joint exactly like mine, bro. Negative 539. You feel me? Motherfucking 227. You feel me? Now for your face cam, it might be yours might be a little different from mine. You feel me? Now mine, if you got the same exact size cam as mine, it'll work. If you don't have the same exact size cam and everything, it will not work, my boy. So you're gonna have to basically, for my guys who don't have the same exact camera, you want to go ahead and hit this mask button. Hit the rectangle, and you're gonna have to crop this down to the T. You can hit this little hourglass, zoom in, so you can get a clearer picture of it, and then you just want to crop this perfectly. But if you have the same exact camera size and everything as mine, then you want to just type these numbers in real quick. For the position, 26, 24. The y-axis, 970. The size, you want that joint at 325. Wop. Scale this out. Then you see you got that joint in a position now. It's perfect position. Now you want to mask this joint. Now if we got the same size camera, you could type these same numbers in. If not, you're going to have to manually crop it yourself and get it down to the T. I got my numbers. Once you crop yours to the T the first time, you'll be able to just type in the same numbers every time. But the size will only work every time if you export it first. You got to make sure you export your clip first and make it 4K and everything, export it, and then drop it back in here. And then your sizes will be the same exact thing every time. So the numbers for the face cam is negative 1439 for the X. The Y is 183. The width size 894, and for the length size 545. Bam. And then your last and final step, you want to go ahead and hit the basic, hit your first the main canvas at the bottom, scroll all the way down to this canvas option. You feel me? Get this black stuff out the way, hit the blur. I use the last one, but you can use any one that like you prefer, look better for you, you feel me? Then you can add your text, you feel me? Add your, maybe you want to promote your Twitch or whatever, you feel me? You want to go ahead and drop that in there, you feel me? You feel me? Drop that in there. Go ahead and follow my Twitch if you ain't following it already, my boy. Drop the Twitch. You can choose your font size. I just choose Resolute, you feel me? Pop that in there like that. Drag it. Get the right size. Bold it up, you feel me? Smack this on there. Then you can choose whatever color you like. Me, I prefer the yellow. That's what popped the most for me. You feel me? Then you want to go ahead and just drag it all the way down here at the beginning. Throw it on there for a couple seconds. So when your clip start, it'll start just like this. You feel me? You feel me? You feel me? You feel me? Then you just go ahead and export that joint and take it on home, my boy. If you enjoyed this video, you gotta check out these, my boy. Don't forget to tap in. Click it. Click it right now, bro. Come on, what you doing? Click it.